how to solve WhatsApp update problem. So if you want to solve your WhatsApp update problem, like if you want to update your WhatsApp application, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings and scroll down, go for apps, and under your apps you need to open up your WhatsApp application on your settings, and then go for storage and cache and go for clear cache, and you need to clear all of the cache which is on WhatsApp. And once you clear your cache, now you need to go back, and now you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store and make sure to check your internet connection if it's stable or not, and go for the search bar which is on the upper side and search for WhatsApp. Once you've searched, here you will have your WhatsApp application. So if you want to update your WhatsApp application, then here under this open option on the right side you will have update option. So I have recently updated my WhatsApp application, and since then I've not got an update. But if you have not updated your app recently, then you will have an update option. You need to simply tap on that update and you need to update your WhatsApp application. That's how you update your WhatsApp application, or that's how you solve your WhatsApp update problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.